Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a cute hedgehog. I'm going to start with his forehead and bring it down to about there. I'm just going to move that pencil out of my way. And then I'm going to do his snout and then a nice round nose. Like that. Funny shape actually. Maybe a bit more like that. There we go. Colour in. That. Right, I'm going to do him a little sulky mouth to make him look really cute. Like he's going to cry and his bottom lip sticking out. Oh, to bring that down to there. Maybe bring that a little bit more. And then the eye. Big eye. Oh, he's going to look really cute. Little C. And then a big C. That's just for the ear. Okay, and here I want soft because the spikes are going around his face. I'm just going to join it to his forehead. Then we're going to have a bit of a fringy bit, some long spikes going up all the way around. Oops, slip then a bit. That looks okay. Ooh, I think the pen's running out. There we go. Come down to about there. I'm going to do the nice soft spikes now again, some rounded like that. I'm going to join that to where all the spikes are, just rounded. There we go. Now, last time I drew it, I forgot the tail, so I've had to do it again. So there's his tail and his feet, back foot. I'm going to bring it round like that, and then up. And then do his belly, but I'm going to draw the next foot here first, so I know where to stop. So that's the next foot. That's going to come to there. Now I can join these two feet together. Now you're going to see another foot at the background, but because it's in the back, it's further away. It needs to be smaller. So this one's closer to you, and the same with this side. I'm going to draw another foot there. And there we go. I think the hedgehog may be finished. He's quite a cutie. So I'd like to see your pictures. I might put a little. Oh dear, that makes him look even more sad. Oh, little. So I'd love to see your pictures. If you'd like to send them me, you'll find my details below, and I will put them on my Facebook page. And thank you very much for watching. And actually, shall we do some little toes? There we go. Got little toes now. So thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Thank you.